This is Landon again, second video, 4 subscribers. Thank you guys for subscribing. I appreciate it. Today I will be doing some more workouts, and you can join with me. If you like it, like and subscribe. Well, I can't believe I'm saying this, but this is probably harder than the puck one for last time I shot pucks. Please leave a like on. You've all been supporting me, and I thank you. Now please, if you like this, like and subscribe.